A car is not just a mode of convenience, but also a piece of art cherished, often decades after its production. Big names like Lamborghini, Aston Martin, and of course Rolls-Royce often come at very high prices and are only meant for rich collectors, as many of them are often sold out before they have reached the public, while most of the cars listed here are widely out of the reach for most. It's a sheer pleasure just to look at them. So here you go with the most expensive luxury cars for 2020 existing at present. Number 10. Pagani Huayra. This car was introduced in 2012. Coming after the Pagani Huayra, it is the priciest Pagani car ever made. This car is introduced with 6-liter V12 bi-turbo engine which was sourced from AMG and produces 790 horsepower. The car can reach up to the top speed of 230 miles per hour or 370 kilometers per hour. The cost of the car is $2.8 million in India, 21.25 crores. Number 9. Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio. This car was introduced in 2013. This is one of the costliest Ferraris ever made. Only 6 of these cars have been made as of yet. This car is powered by a 4.5-liter Ferrari F136 F-V8 engine which produces 570 horsepower. This car can reach up to the top speed of 198 miles per hour or 319 kilometers per hour. The cost of the car is $3 million in India, 22.8 crores. Number 8. Aston Martin AM RB001. This car was introduced in 2018. This model is a renovation of old Aston Martin Red Bull AM RB001 and has a 1:1 power to weight ratio and comes with a Ryamic built hybrid battery system coming with the engine which yields 1000 horsepower. As of yet, 150 units have been planned by the company. This car can reach up to the top speed of 250 miles per hour or 402 kilometers per hour. The cost of the car is $3.2 million in India, 24.3 crores. Number 7. Bugatti Veyron Mansory Vivre. Upgraded 4 times since its release in 2005, the Mansory Vivre edition of Bugatti Veyron is not only amongst the priciest cars in the world, but also one of the most fastest. And for the aesthetically conscious, we have carbon fiber interior and the exterior. The car is powered by a 8-liter W16 engine which produces 1200 horsepower. The car can go from 0 to 100 in 2.4 seconds. The car has a top speed of 253 miles per hour or 407 kilometers per hour. The cost of the car is $3.4 million in India, 25.8 crores. Number 6. Lykan Hypersport. This car was introduced in 2013. The headlights being made of 240 15-carat diamonds, and then there are the LED blades made of 420 15-carat diamonds. All the gems are highly customizable, looking like an armored car with scissor doors and interior straight out of a sci-fi movie. This car features in Fast and Furious 7 and has actually been drafted by Abu Dhabi police for petrol duty. This car is powered by a 3.7-liter twin supercharged flat 6 engine which produces 780 horsepower. The car can reach up to the top speed of 240 miles per hour or 385 kilometers per hour. The car cost about $3.4 million in India, 25.8 crores. Number 5. McLaren P1 LM. This car was introduced in 2013. This car has a lot in common with P1 GTR and the McLaren F1 road car. For example, the gold plating surrounding the engine bay with 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8. It is much more smarter than the GTR. Not only it weighs 132 pounds, 60 kg less than the GTR, but its modified rear wing and large front splitter joined with the dive planes to generate 40% more increased downforce at compared to GTR. This car produces 1000 horsepower and can reach to the top speed of 147 miles per hour or 236 kilometers per hour. This car costs about $3.6 million in India, 27.35 crores. Number 4. Lamborghini Veneno. This car was built in 2013, built to celebrate the company's 50th birthday. Veneno literally means poison in Spanish, and well, the design does look deadly. Looking almost like an alien space capsule, this car can reach speeds that can give one of those a run for their money, literally. The car can reach to the top speed of 221 miles per hour or 356 kilometers per hour. The car is powered by a 6.5 liter V12 which produces 740 horsepower. The cost of the car is $4.5 million US. In India, 34.18 crores. Number 3. Koenigsegg CC-XR Trivita. This car was introduced in 2006, the most expensive street legal production car in the world. This is coated with real diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. The car is indeed coated with real diamonds called the Koenigsegg Diamond Weave. This technology transformed the fibers from traditional black to shining silvery white, making the bodywork of this car renowned throughout the unique design and the perfection. This car is powered by a 4.7 liter twin-turbo supercharged gasoline engine which produces 1004 horsepower. This car can reach up to the top speed of 254 miles per hour or 409 kilometers per hour. The cost of the car is $4.8 million US. In India, 36.45 crores. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. This car was introduced in 2017. This particular exclusive car comes with its custom coachwork, reminiscent of royal carriages of yore. Probably modeled on the Wraith, this car can seat only 2 people. The sunroof is fully panoramic, tapering down sharply like those of racing yachts. Something very cool about the interior, handcrafted with wood and leather, are the hidden attached cases for holding laptops behind each door. The owner of this car does have to be a collector of super yachts and private planes. This car is powered by a 6.75 liter V12 which produces 453 horsepower. This car can reach up to the speed of 150 miles per hour or 241 kilometers per hour. The cost of the car is $13 million US. In India, 99 crores. Number 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. This car was introduced in 2019. Bugatti has unveiled the La Voiture Noire, translated as the black car, made entirely of carbon fiber. The first one of the limited edition has been sold to the Volkswagen Group owner. The design is inspired by its predecessor, Veyron and the Chiron, powered by an 8-liter W16 engine that churns out jaw-dropping power, 1500 horsepower. Bugatti has refused to reveal its performance specs, but the estimated top speed is 261 miles per hour or 420 kilometers per hour. The front grille is dominated by its trademark horseshoe-shaped Bugatti grille and blends into an aerodynamically swept back design with sloping windscreen and wrap around the tail. The car costs about $19 million US. In India, 145 crores. Hey, if you found this video informative, please hit the like and subscribe from the button on the screen. If you have any suggestions, comment down below. We'll definitely work on that. And thanks for being with Auto Divine.